Hi, welcome to another video. Yesterday, OpenAI launched their version of code interpreter. You remember last week it was Gemini. So the race is on. This is a super quick demo of how the code interpreter works. Here is their documentation. Write and run Python code to solve problems. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So it is interesting. So when you build your application, you don't need a separate Python environment to run and test your code. If your SaaS application requires such a mechanism to execute code, this code interpreter is available for the OpenAI's responses API. You need to upgrade the OpenAI import. So here is the sample code. Here the tool type is code interpreter. Here it says you are a personal math tutor. Now here I need to solve the equation 3x plus 11 equal to 14. Can you help me? So here you can expect an accurate answer because this is not going to work like a language model. This will actually create the Python code and execute and solve this equation. So let's see how it works. So I have copied this code here. So this is the code that we just saw. Only thing is I have imported my API key in the .env. Here I have the run.sh, which is a Python environment which executes this code that we just saw. Okay, so I will write and run the code to find the value of x. The solution to the question 3x plus 11 equal to 14 is x equal to 1. Okay, so that is correct. 3 plus 11. Okay, so let's see the next example. One thing is code interpreter tool requires a container object. These containers are fully sandbox virtual environment, something like a Docker container. So containers can contain files that you upload or that it generates. So here we are giving a name for the container and then using that container.id during the code execution. Here it says use the Python tool to calculate what is 4 into 3.82 and then find the square root of that result. Okay, let's copy this. I have pasted that code here and I'm ensuring that the keys are imported. So this is codex2 where we are naming our container. So let's run and see codex-2. Okay, so here 4 times 3.82 is 15.28. The square root of 15.28 is approximately 3.91 and square root of that result is approximately 1.98. So isn't it interesting? So now the thing is, this execution sandbox environment, the container, can be reused subsequently. That is it for this quick video. Please give your valuable comments and remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.